Hello students, I am Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. I hope you all are enjoying online classes. So students, today I am going to explain chapter 8, that is programming in Scratch. Okay, so students, in this chapter we will cover the topic that are using multiple sprites, using the keyboard keys, applying reasoning to make decision, sensing input and its execution, and the last one is applying condition in programming. Okay, so let us start from the topic first, that is using multiple sprites. Students, you can add more than one sprite in a Scratch project. Each sprite has its own script area. स्टूडेंट्स, आप दो या दो से अधिक स्प्राइट को अपने स्क्रैच प्रोजेक्ट में ऐड कर सकते हैं. ईच स्प्राइट हैज़ इट्स ऑन स्क्रिप्ट एरिया, और हर एक स्प्राइट का अलग अपना एक स्क्रिप्ट एरिया होता है. यूजिंग द ग्रीन फ्लैग बटन you can run all the script at the same time. Okay students, here you can see this is the green flag button. Using this you can run all the sprite at once. Let us create a project in Scratch using multiple sprites. So students, first of all you have to open Scratch from the start button, and then after you have to delete the cat sprite from the stage. Students, I have told you, when you will open Scratch, then you will find the cat sprite by default. Just you have to delete that, and then after you have to add a very end cat sprite and a backdrop on the stage as shown in figure 8.10. स्टूडेंट्स, पहले जो कैट स्प्राइट होगा उसको आपको डिलीट कर देना है. देन आफ्टर आपको जो है दो स्प्राइट्स सिलेक्ट करना है. फर्स्ट इज़ एवरी एंड सेकंड इज़ कै. एवरी एंड कै स्प्राइट आप सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे, and then after you have to choose a background like figure 8.1, and then after step 4 is click on the green flag button to execute both the script at the same time. You will observe that the sprite will speak to each other. So students, you have to create this script in your script area. Here you can see you have to write the script. Then after you have to click on the green flag button. Note students, you can add more blocks in the script to increase the conversation. Okay, now come to the next page. On the second page you will find a topic using the keyboard keys. Students, some block in Scratch run with the help of keyboard keys. The when key pressed. Students, the when key pressed block perform an action once the keyboard is pressed. The keyboard keys can be selected from the drop down arrow inside the block, and the block placed after this block only execute once the selected key is pressed. In this step 1 is open a new project in Scratch and delete the cat sprite from the stage. Add a new sprite on the stage as shown in figure 8.4. You can see here, student, this is the figure 8.4. Then create the script for the sprite as shown in figure 8.5. Note that you have created more than one script for one sprite. Press the selected key to execute the blocks used in this script. You can press the keys multiple times to observe the effect. Okay. Now come to the next topic. Okay. Student, this is your Avaz practice time. Here is a dance project. You can create this project in your computer system. So you have to, first of all, you have to open a new project in Scratch, and then after you have to delete the cat sprite from the stage and add the break dancer 1 sprite, and then add a backdrop similar to figure 8.6. You have to add a background like figure number 8.6, and then create the script as shown in figure below. There are 3 scripts for the sprite. Each script will run when the key selected in the first block to each script is pressed. If you will press key A, all the script and block will stop functioning. So students, this is your script area. You can see here, this is the programming is done for this sprite. Okay, this is your sprite. तो ये स्क्रिप्ट तैयार किया गया है इस स्प्राइट के ऊपर. जैसे ही आप अपने कीबोर्ड से ए की को प्रेस करेंगे, ये आपके जो है स्क्रिप्ट को फॉलो करेगा. ओके. Now student, the position of a sprite. Every point on the stage has some x-axis and y-axis value. To know about a sprite exact position, you can look at the sprite's axis information section. It is located at the top right corner of the Scratch window. This helps you in locating and further deciding where you want to move the sprite. Now the next topic is applying reasoning to make decisions. Students, you make many decisions in your day-to-day life, but some decisions require major understanding and reasoning. Let us consider a general situation to understand the concept. For example, you have to choose dance or any sport activity after school. Now you have to apply reasoning to make this decision. Okay, now students, the next paragraph I will explain in my next video. Till then, goodbye students. Thank you for watching my videos. Okay.